The Brook Bond Lipton India Limited is expected to develop a substantial linkage with the farm sector. I will be investing about rupees 150 crore in the next 3 years on the setting up of new foods factories and modernization of existing factories. The creation of a frozen foods distributive chain using refrigerated vents and temperature controlled storage facilities will get priority. Investment will also be made in new facilities for frozen vegetables, fruits, and desserts, besides sops, dry mixes, tomato, and other product based sauces, specialty bakery inputs, and margin and milk based products, among others. The agriculture based products proposed to be introduced will be the Brook Bond Limited India Limited to establish a direct backward linkage with the farming community in and around the existing and future factories that will come up as a part of the company's ambitious diversification program. The company will organize superior extension services and distribute high quality input such as seeds to raise productivity. This will drive intensive support from a world-class R&D center devoted to food-related activities being set up at Bangalore through the 5 Unilever laboratories worldwide presently under the charge of former Hindustan Lever chairman and now Unilever director A.S. Ganguly. This R&D center will have access to the best technology in processed foods. The combined exports of the two companies, totaling rupees 200 crore, are expected to rise substantially in the next few years because it will be operating on a global scale. The Brook Bond Lipton India Limited is confident of tapping profitable export markets in the area of processed foods. Additional employment generation, wider choice to the consumer, a stronger export earning, and productive links with the farm sector of the country will all be major gains. The employees of the two companies will enjoy continuity of employment and protection of all existing terms and conditions of service. The strength of the merged company will in fact improve their prospects, providing new opportunities and greater challenges until all legal formalities in connection with the merger are completed. Lipton and Brook Bond will continue to operate as individual companies. Both Brook Bond and Lipton are widely held public limited companies in which Unilever UK has a majority equity stake. The two companies are profitable enterprises in their own right and have a successful track record. The Brook-Bond Lipton India Limited have over the last 75 years operated as a strong contenders in the Indian beverage market. It is felt that development of the food processing industry in India has been slow due to non-availability of the required technology